Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I want to show you how to have a happy marriage between the movements of your head and your core. Because I have no idea how to. Anyway, so we are designed to have an intimate relationship between the movements of our head, activating our vestibular system, and our core muscles, the muscles of your center. Anyway, your core and your head they're supposed to be married, united in wedding bliss, holy matrimony, if you will. Where one goes, the other is designed to follow. Anyway, one of the secrets to having a very strong and healthy body is to have a strong and healthy core. And one of the ways to have a strong and healthy core is to use your head. We're designed to move our heads, and a lot of times we don't. Anyway, I'm going to shove all that aside, and I'm just going to show you how to have a strong and healthy core through remembering how to use your head. So, I'm going to show you two simple ways to do this. By the way, moving your head in the horizontal plane on the floor that is really how you build your strong core. So you can move your head standing up, but this is the way to wake up that marriage and to create that wedding bliss. So, one way is we're going to lay on our back and see them looking at you, right? So one way is just to get used to moving your head in extension while you're on your back. And that's one way, but we're going to really exaggerate this. So I'm looking at you, but I'm really going to turn and look at you. Look at all that movement I've just got. So I'm just going to work this exaggerated look around type maneuver. And if you do this, you really exaggerate it, you're going to say, yeah, we are married. Our center and our head are married. Now, the other way, well, I'm going to show you another way, but I should probably show you this way sideways or a different angle just so you can see. So I'm looking here and I'm looking here. So there is a lot of movement, like the torso's coming up, right? To look around. All right, so that's way number one. Lying on your back and looking into extension. Way number two is lying on your back and going into flexion and rotation. We're gonna roll, but we're gonna do it in the same position. So, and we can actually combine the movement we just did. So I wanna keep my lower body, really from the neck down, I just wanna stay relaxed. And I'm just gonna use my eyes and my head to roll, and I'm gonna let my body follow. So I'm creating a spiral with my eyes and my head, and I'm just letting the rest of my body follow. And then I'm gonna undo it or go back. And really, if I can just take the back of my head and touch it to the floor, see my body follows. And now I wanna go this way. So I'm gonna pick my eyes and head up, and I'm gonna spiral them this way. Hey, and just my body follows, right? So then I'm gonna come back, and you can right your legs if you want to, or you can just let them get pulled for the ride. So, and they'll just come on over. And so you can just work this from side to side. And I said you could combine that with the first movement we did, and you can. So I can do this and come up to here. And then I can do this. And I'm gonna switch my body just to give you a different angle. So I'm here, lower body's relaxed. And I'm spiraling my head around. Trying not to break my microphone that's in my pocket. In case you think, why does it look so weird when he goes to his left? Because it feels weird. Because I'm a microphone. And then if we had that first movement, it can be like this. Then you go into flexion, and then you undo it, and then you go into flexion. Anyway, two simple movements that you can do, and it's head control. It's learning how to move your head while you're lying on your back. And if you spend any time doing that, one, it feels feels good. But two, you wake up your center and you start getting that relationship going again, where they first meet each other, they're dating, they think they kind of like each other, and then they really find out, man, they're really connected, and everywhere you go, I go, and everywhere you go, I want to go. And then next thing you know, they're married, and your core is just super, super strong because your vestibular system is super, super healthy because you've been using your eyes and your head the way you were designed to use your eyes and your head. Anyway, give that a shot. I know it might seem silly, but it will make you stronger, happier, and healthier. And you'll be happier because you're stronger, and it always just feels good to be stronger. So that's our tip for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time. To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.